What's going on, guys? Mike. Quick video on a 2.0 Jetta with the BBW engine code. Let me get that out of the way. This is the 2.0 with the VVT motor, head, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to show you how to set the cam timing. Service info is a little bit finicky on it, and I figured that I'd go over it. That way you guys can see what's going on here. There is a special tool required. Two special tools. Both of them you can kind of jimmy something with or use something else. The first one is a setting bar, as they call it in the service procedure, and basically what it is it's just a flat piece of metal that has to fit in between the cam, and once that's in between the valves, intake valve and exhaust valves on cylinder number 1 should both be horizontal, as you can see as they are. You know, once they're horizontal and this tool fits, you can use something else anything that's a straight edge or something that's thin enough to fit in between those slots will work. I just have this counter hole tool here, using it to move the cam back and forth so I could get the tool in there. But I figured this would help somebody just because I struggled with it and I couldn't find the service info on it. And as far as setting the crank to TDC, take out spark plug number 1 and just do it the old school way. Put a screwdriver in there, and once the screwdriver gets to its highest point, you're on top dead center. There is other ways you can look at the flywheel, if it's a manual and if it's an automatic. Both have inspection screens with timing marks on the flywheel, but it's kind of a pain. Volkswagen really didn't think this one out, and just made it extremely difficult for repair wise to do timing belts on this BBW motor. The other engine codes absolutely do not have this. They all have timing marks on the cam and on the crank. So again, you have to get the tool in between the slots, and to verify, just because that tool could fit in multiple different ways, to verify that it is definitely on top dead center, on TDC for the cam. As long as these two lobes on cylinder number 1 are horizontal, then that you are on TDC for the cam. Again, this is for the BBW with VVT on a 2.0. This particular car is a Jetta 2.0 05 2005. Any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.